Hello everyone and welcome. Today we'll build foundational knowledge of cloud computing and explore how it's applied across industries such as healthcare, banking, education, and manufacturing. By the end, you will understand why cloud computing has become the backbone of modern IT solutions. The first thing we look at is fundamental functions and evolutions. Now, cloud computing delivers services like storage, databases, servers, networking, and software through the internet rather than relying on on-premises hardware. Its fundamental functions include on-demand services, which users can have access to resources anytime. We have broad network access, which is availability from anywhere with an internet connection. We have resource pooling, which is shared resources serving multiple customers. Rapid elasticity, which is an instant scaling up or down. We have measured services, which is a pay-as-you-go billing model. The evolution of cloud services began with virtualization, progress to private and public cloud hosting, and now integrates advanced services like AI, IoTs, and edge computing. Now, for the second thing we look at is cloud versus on-premises services. Let's look at that. For example, the benefit of cloud. We have scalability. You can fastly scale up or down, reduce capital costs. You don't have to buy servers and all those hardwares and softwares that we have to start with. Global access, you can access from anywhere. You have internet and improved disaster recovery. Also, we have cloud limitations, which is a vendor lock-in. You've already established a network with a vendor. We have an ongoing subscription cost. We have dependency on internet connectivity. Also, there is an on-premises benefit. Full control of your systems, of your infrastructure, customization for specific regulatory requirements. And also the on-premises limitations are high upfront costs for hardware and software, limited scalability, and significant IT staff demand. The third thing we look at is cloud hosting management and deployment. For cloud hosting, applications are server hosted in provider managed data centers. For management techniques, we have monitoring tools, automations, and compliance control to maintain performance. They do all of those. For deployment consideration, we have choosing between public, private, or hybrid model depending on security, compliance, and your budget limitations, kind of. Now, for the second part of this study, I'm going to show you on your screen right now a diagram for cloud configuration. Now, here is just a basic cloud diagram. We have the internet where traffic enters the cloud. We have edge routers where traffic is routed. We have firewalls. Traffic is filtered securely. We have application servers, VMs, containers where requests are processed. We have database where data is retrieved or stored. Then for the end users, we have desktop, mobile devices, thin clients. Now, I'm also going to show you this cloud model table where we see the various services, its description and example of uses. For example, we have the software as a service, which is usually called SaaS, SaaS. It delivers applications over the internet. Users access software without managing servers or updates. And for example, we have an email like Gmail, electronic health record, the EHR in healthcare, or CRM tools. Now, we also have a platform as a service, which provides a platform for developers to build, deploy, and manage applications without managing an infrastructure. For its example of uses, we have application development, testing environment. So you can just create an environment, a complete environment in the cloud. We have infrastructure as a service, which to me, this one is like the most important because it offers virtualized computing resources such as servers, storage, networking on demand. And for example, we have hosting websites. We can host a website on the cloud, totally in the cloud. We have virtual machines on the cloud where we work on. We have a storage solution to store as much information as we need. So this is actually just an introductory introduction to cloud computing. I hope that this made a lot of sense. I tried to squeeze this in 5 minutes. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe and like.